Hi everyone. The last topic from chapter C is progression. So APGP, HPN, infinitely diminishing series. So we are going to discuss the questions based on that. So first one, the sum of first 18 terms of an AP is 63 more than sum of first 11 terms of an AP. Find the sum of first 29 terms of an AP. So SN ka formula AP ka you will have to use. So S18 is 63 more than S11. So Sn का formula n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Take that S11 on the other side. So plus becomes minus is equal to 63. So left to now keep on simplifying by taking LCM and etc multiplying additions and subtractions. Then subtract all the add or subtract all the a wale terms and add and subtract all the d wale terms and then eventually divide by 14 throughout. So after that, you will get a plus 14d as 9. So after all the simplification of the first line, you would have got this. Then after that, they were asking sum of first 29 terms of an AP. So S29 ka formula we'll have to use, which is again n by 2, 29 by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, that is 28d. Again, when you divide by 2, you will get inside the bracket a plus 14d. A plus 14d, we have already figured it out from the first stage, which is 9. So the final answer is 29 into 9, which is 261. Answer option first. Pretty straightforward and simple. Similar is the second question. The sum of first 12 terms of an AP is equal to sum of first 19 terms of an AP. Find the sum of first 31 terms of an AP. So S12 is equal to S19. Again, you start solving Sn ka formula AP ka. Simplify, multiply, subtract, divide throughout by 7 and you will get a plus 15d as 0. Again, they are asking you to find the sum of first 31 terms, that is S31. That is n by 2, 31 by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, 2a plus 30d. When you simplify that, again divide by 2 inside the bracket, you will get a plus 15d. A plus 15d is 0. S31, 31 into 0. Answer is also 0. First option again. So pretty straightforward and simple, just based on the formula of sum of first n terms of an AP. You start solving, simplify, you will reach here. The third question. ABC are the three geometric means between 9 by 25 and 25 by 9. Find the value of C. So this is that your 5-second shortcut question where reading the question and understanding the language of the question is very critical. When they say ABC are the three GMs between 9 by 25 and 25 by 9, is it compulsory that ABC has to be in this same order only? That is 9 by 25, then ABC, and then 25 by 9. It could have been CBA, it could have been BCA, and so on, right? And I hope you understand, if the order of ABC is not fixed, then they can be returned in any of the orders that I have mentioned just now. That means C will keep on changing its position. If C keeps on changing its position, common sense says that the value of that term should also keep on changing, and straight away cannot be determined, has to be your answer. So you should not even have to solve this much because of that wordings of the question. In case you don't realize that, 25 by 9 is your fifth term of an AP, sorry, GP. Use Tn of GP, nth term of an GP. The formula is A into R raised to n minus 1. You solve that, you will get the value of R as plus minus 5 by 3. So if the value of R are two different values, plus and minus 5 by 3, based on that, the value of C will also be either plus or minus. Basically multiple values and hence cannot be determined. That's a solving way to figure that out. Fourth one. A ball is thrown up in the air. It reaches the height of 960 feet and every time bounces back to 3/4 of the height that it has attained in the previous bounce. Find the total distance traveled by the ball till it comes to rest. So to find this out, what we will have to do is we'll have to use the formula of infinitely diminishing series. There is just one formula, S infinity A upon 1 minus R. But for that, when you calculate, you get the answer as 3840 and you will mark that without even realizing. But you should realize something as a common sense. The question is total distance traveled by the ball. So if the ball goes up 960 in the air, then because of gravity, it will come back also 960 and so on. In next distance, 3/4 of 960 again come down that much because of the gravity, which we don't encounter when we are solving, and we can easily miss that out. And that means whatever distances the ball is traveling, the entire distance has to be multiplied, and which is what is not mentioned in the formula. So you are supposed to be very, very careful with such types of questions. The formula will not tell you multiply by 2 karna hai ki nahi. It is the common sense that will tell you multiply by 2 karna hai ki nahi. So answer is not 3680, answer is 7680. Sorry, answer is not 3840, it is double of that, which is 7680, which is fourth option. Now, fifth onwards, the sum of first 10 terms of the expression. When you try to solve this, it is not any one of the standard series that we have studied, neither AP nor GP nor HP. And this is where adjustments comes into the play. So you need to be very good with the numbers for all these reasons, because you never know what type you are dealing at what cost basically. So when you are adjusting the terms, the denominators can be separated as this. The first term can be written as 1 into 2. The second can be written as 2 into 3. The third can be written as 3 into 4. Fourth can be written as 4 into 5, and so on. So similarly, the 10th term will be written as 1 upon 10 into 11. So this was the first realization. After that, what you need to do is, to get the half, you are going to separate out both the denominators of each of the term and put a minus sign in between. Example, for the first term, you will write 1 upon 1 minus half. Now, why so? Because 1 upon 1 is 1 basically. 1 minus half, you will get the original value, which is half. For 1 by 6, what you are going to do? 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, which will give you 1 by 6. Then 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 will give you 1 by 12, and so on. So you keep adding all these terms till the end, and when you open the brackets, what you end up realizing is that the alternate plus minuses will cancel out each other. So plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4, and so on. So what you will be left with is only the first and the last term. So first term is 1, last term is 1 by 11. 1 minus 1 by 11, you will get 10 by 11. Option 2. You'll have to be really, really good with the numbers basically. Sixth one, similar story. Find the sum of first 6 terms of an expansion. So again, the similar adjustment in the denominator. 2 can be written as 1 by 2, 1 into 2. 10 can be written as 2 into 5. 50 can be written as 5 into 10. 7 can be written as, 170 can be written as 10 into 17, and so on. So what you observe is, one of the terms in the denominator is continuation from the previous term, and whatever the difference of the denominator is present in the numerator. So for fifth term, it will be 9 upon 17 into 26. And for the sixth term, it will be 11 upon 26 into 37. Again, same story. Just separate out the denominators and put a minus sign. So for first term, we'll do 1 upon 1 minus 1 by 2. That is 1 minus half, which is half. Then 1 by 2 minus 1 by 5 will get 3 by 10. Then 1 by 5 minus 1 by 10 will get 5 by 50. Then 1 by 10 minus 1 by 17 will get 7 by 170. And 1 by 17 minus 1 by 26 will get 9 by 17 into 26. And lastly, for the sixth term, we'll get 1 by 26 minus 1 by 37, which is 11 upon 26 into 37. Again, when you open the brackets, the alternate pluses and minuses will get cancelled, and you will be again left with only two terms, first and the last one. So 1 minus 1 by 37, you get 36 by 37 as the answer of this question, which is option 3. Seventh one, find the sum of n terms of the series. And the only way to solve such type of question is by options. So what you'll have to do, you'll have to figure out such an option in which if you substitute n as 1, so the first term of the series is 1 into 2 into 4, which is 8. The second term is 2 into 3 into 5, which is 30. The third term is 3 into 4 into 6, which is 72. So when you substitute n as 1, it should be 8. When you substitute n as 2, so sum of first two terms will be 8 plus 30, that is 38. And when you substitute n as 3, 8 plus 30 plus 72, that is 38 plus 72. When you substitute n as 3, you should get the answer. You should get the result as 110. So you just have to check from the options which option is going to give you all these three values. And only one option satisfies that. It is purely the matter of calculation. No other thing is required at all, really. So when you do that, you get the answer as fourth option. So fourth option, when you substitute n as 1, you will get 8. When you substitute n as 2, you should get 38. And when you substitute n as 3, you should get 110. Eighth one, the best question of this series because of so many reasons, and it is sometimes very difficult to realize the logics and the approaches. And that is why you should pay more attention to them. Sum of first 10 terms of the series. Now the first part is rewriting the numbers as an integer and a fraction ka sum. So first number can be written as 5, can be written as 4 plus 1, 1 upon 1 actually. Then 11 by 2 can be written as 5 plus 1 by 2. Then 25 by 4 can be written as 6 plus 1 by 4. 57 by 8 can be written as 7 plus 1 by 8. So each of the number is written in two ways, integer plus a fraction. Now integers are starting from 4 in a sequence, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. So for the 10th term, the integer part will be 13 plus the fractions also, if you observe, they are powers of 2 in the denominator. So first number is, the denominator is 1, which is 2 raised to 0. Second number 2 raised to 1. Third number 2 raised to 2. Fourth number 2 raised to 3. So for 10th number, it will be 2 raised to 9. And we were supposed to add all these numbers. So when you do that, further what we will do is we'll separate out the integers and the fractions. So integers are starting from 4 right up till 13, which is a AP, and the fractions are GP with the common ratio half. So AP का sum SN का formula n by 2 a plus tn वाला formula use करो because you know the first number, you know the last number. 10 by 2 is 5, a is 4, tn is 13, 4 plus 13 17, 17 into 5 85. For GP, again you are going to use the formula of SN, which is a into 1 minus r raised to n upon 1 minus r. नीचे वाला 1 minus half is half. When it goes up, it will be multiplied by 2. 2 raised to 10 is 1024. 1024 minus 1, 1023 upon 1024 divided by 2. So 1023 upon 512. Now, when you look at the options, this answer is definitely not present, and you'll mark none of these and we'll move on without even realizing that a biggest blunder that has happened. Now, what is that? So, what the examiner is actually expecting you to do after this is that actually divide this 1023 by 512 and convert it to a mixed fraction. So, when you divide 1023 by 512, so 512 ones are 512, remainder will be 511. So, the mixed fraction of 1023 upon 512 is 1 511 upon 512. What the examiner is expecting is that you add the integers, that is 1 and 85, which is 86 into 511 upon 512. And this answer, if you observe, is present in the option, and hence that is the correct answer. So these are the few reasons why it is the difficult most question from this entire sheet. Because the first part, you have to realize the numbers has to be split into two ways: integer plus fractions. Integers are AP, fractions are GP, powers of 2. And then the last part was the mixed fraction calculation conversion as well. So you'll have to be really good on all the fronts to get the right answer at the end part. The last one from progressions is a very, very easy and a straightforward question. The 8th term of an AP is 88 and the 88th term of an AP is 8. Then find the 100th term. So Tn का फॉर्मूला AP का यूज करना पड़ेगा a plus n minus 1 into d. So 8th term is 88 यानी a plus 7d is 88 and 88th term is 8. So a plus 87d is 8. Nth term of an AP. Now you have two equations, two unknowns. Simultaneously solve them. Subtract equation number 1 from equation number 2. You will get a will get cancelled. You will get the value of d as minus 1. Substitute that value of d of minus 1 in any one of the above two equations. You will get the value of a, which is plus 95. When you have a and when you have d, you can find out the 100th term. So T100 for AP will be a plus 99d, d is minus 1, a is 95, answer is minus 4, which is answer option 2. So nth term of an AP is the formula, and then the basic solving is required to get the final answer. So folks, with this we are done with the C module and the last topic of that, which is progressions. Thank you so much.